Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. So we're almost finished our work here in Essentials. 2 more weeks, right? So this week we're going to focus on student-to-student engagement and active learning, right? So you're going to have some readings and there's some videos just about active learning and how to engage students with each other, right? One of the ways that we often have students engage with each other is work in groups. So for this week and next week, so week 4 and week 5, you're going to have a group work activity. You've been assigned to groups. Please go to the left menu on the border menu and select your group. When you select group, you'll go in to an area that's made just for you and your group. Now, we've had some people who have decided not to work in the course, and we've tried to remove those people from the groups. Please reach out to all of your group members just to make sure that everyone that's listed in your group is still in your group. When you contact the rest of your group members, please set up a plan for the work for the next 2 weeks, so this week and next week, so that you can create your artifact for this assignment. And what we're looking for is a very quick presentation by the group that talks about how you support active learning, right? Just about overall active learning and how you would support active learning in one of your online courses, right? Make sure that the plan includes everyone. Only one person needs to present your group assignment, but make sure that everyone that's in the group has been active in the group. During this week, during week 4, please select one of the members of your group to post on the group discussion board within the whole course and let us know how you're doing. If you have any issues with your group work or how the plan's coming together or what have you, please reach out to me. I will be facilitating the next 2 weeks where you're working on your group work and your focus on student-to-student engagement, particularly in this week. Remember, you have a wiki that you need to add to. You have a separate discussion board in week 4 as well. So you'll have the group discussion board that I just kind of a check-in discussion. So please have one person in your group post to that board, and then again your separate discussion board where we'll be talking about the topic for this week. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns, and have a great week. Bye now.